This is staggering. Now, Don is still in security, but look at this. This building is huge, and we're just about to enter it. So I'm waiting on Don, and as I wait on Don, let me show you more. This is built, the architecture is based on the Tower of Babel, and earlier we saw the symbol of Europa, the Greek goddess, on the bull. That is a major symbol here at the European Union, or at the European Parliament. So we are looking forward to going in and showing you the inside of this astronomical building. You can't even imagine the size and scope of this until you see it in person.